Ooh, the formula is beautiful. Hello, you beautiful people. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lucy Stephenson, but you can call me Luce because we're all friends here. If you are new, please don't forget to hit subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because it really helps out my channel, and turn that notification bell on just so you don't miss any of my future videos. I do normally upload on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays and Sundays, but I am uploading back to back at the moment because we have a lot to get through. So far we've already unboxed 2 of the Revolution £80 advent calendars. One was a full 25-day one, another one was a 12 days one. We have also unboxed the I Heart Revolution chocolate vault tin, and today we are back with another gift set, and this is again another I Heart Revolution one, and this is the cookie tin one. So this retails currently for £40. I actually managed to get this on Superdrug again. I don't know why they had so much discount on these for like 2 days when they first came out, but I managed to get this for £12 and 5p, and I managed to actually pick it up inside my Superdrug as well, which was absolute bargain. You've seen it on my vlog channel. I'll leave my vlog channel link down below. It's Life with Luce if you want to go check it out and subscribe over there. I've been uploading quite a lot recently on there as well. So yeah, let's just get straight into it. Let's see if it's worth the 40 quid that it's up for. If you are wondering anything about today's makeup look, I'm absolutely gutted, first of all, that I didn't record it because I love how it's turned out. But I have wrote down everything that I've got on my face, so I will put it in the description box down below just in case you are wondering. So the tin just looks like this. I absolutely love the packaging. I don't think it screams Christmas to me. It screams more like Valentine's Day, but I still think it's absolutely adorable. So when you take off the cardboard, it just looks like this. And I already know that I'm going to use this to store my clean beauty blenders in because it's literally going to be perfect for that. So when you open it, it is all tissued up. We just take off the top layer. Oh, and it's like the I Heart chocolate tin where all of the things are wrapped up individually in tissue paper. Oh, this one's squidgy. I will leave that link down below and all of the other ones and my Christmas 2021 playlist as well, so you can catch up on everything down there as well. Let's get into item number 1. So first up we have a squidgy palette. I know for a fact Millie will absolutely love this. So this is the I Heart Revolution, of course, Salted Caramel Cookie Shadow Palette. So there are 9 shades inside here, and let's open this up for the first time together. Ooh, okay. So this is what she looks like, and that is it up close. Okay, I wasn't too sure what I was going to expect from this. I wouldn't really look at that and think salted caramel. I would have thought there would have been a lot more richer, like caramelly colours, especially like a matte one, but there is only this light one here and then this one here that is matte. All the rest of them are shimmers. So yeah, what do you think about this? I feel like, again, this isn't something that's going to be usable for everybody. Like you've only really got this darker shade, haven't you? Because this one you can't really do all that much with. But like, where's the depth? Okay, I'm not going to be critical. We're going to open our eyes and see what's next. So we have another one shaped the same, but this one again is squidgy and obviously has a different colour into it. I wonder if it smells of salted caramel. We have a little sniff. No, it doesn't smell like anything. So this one is the Millionaire's Shortbread Cookie Face Palette. So this one has 4 shades inside instead. Okay, and this is what she looks like. And then this is what it looks like up close, and then you can see from the front here it's squidgy and then it pops back up. I love that. I think that is so cute. Okay, in regards to this face palette, I feel like it's very, very light. Let me do a little swatch. Ooh, the formula is beautiful. Wow, oh my god, that is beautiful. I just nearly dropped it. And then that is what the shades look like. I can't do it up close, it keeps washing it out, I'm not too sure why. But that is the 4 shades. To be honest with you, I think 2 of them would be too dark for me. So even though it looks quite light in the palette, it actually is darker. And also you can use this again for eyeshadows, so it doesn't have to just be a face palette. But it would have been nice maybe just to have one more darker one, because like these 2 I don't think I'll be able to get away with. I'll be able to get away with these 2. But maybe just one more dark one just so that it suits and can be accessible for everybody. I don't know, what do you think? Because obviously I can only speak about my own complexion, so I'm just kind of looking at it from everybody's kind of point of view, if that makes sense. So yeah, what do you think? So then next we have, ooh, okay, we have a, oh my god, it's a bath fizzer. So this is the, oh my god, it's sparkly. This is a Millionaire's Shortbread Cookie Bath Fizzer. And this is vegan and cruelty free. This is sparkly. Like, it reminds me of the Lush ones. I don't know if you can see that at all because it's kind of reflecting off the lights. Okay, that is beautiful. I'm not the biggest fan of glittery bath bombs, but I can appreciate their beauty. Most definitely. But it reminds me of the sparkly present one from Lush, but obviously a lot more affordable. And we have another one in bubble wrap, and this is, ooh, almond cookie bath fizzer. Oh, it smells mint. Oh my god, they both smell different. And this one has no shimmer in. This one's definitely more up my street. So I don't know if you can see the difference between the two of the shimmers. So you get the two bath fizzers, and then we have two lip products, and I think, oh no, we've got some more in there as well. So we have a chocolate lip gloss. This one is in the shade Cookie Brownie. I love Revolution's lip glosses, like absolutely love them, so I will be using this, like I will get my use out of that. And then, oh my god, this is a sexy colour. And then this is another I Heart Revolution chocolate one, and this one is in mint chocolate. So we have chocolate brownie and mint chocolate. So what do you think of them two? Let me know down below. And then the last two things that we have in this little set, or actually last three, sorry, are brushes. So again, I've mentioned this in the previous videos when I've had brushes that have come like these paper things. Revolution are focusing on reducing plastic use in their gift sets. They started it last year and obviously are continuing it. So we have the first brush, which just looks like this. And then the second brush, ooh, I absolutely love their brushes as well. I just can't get enough of them. So this is another one. And then last but not least, ooh, this is a really nice one, a little fluffy one. So I'll show you what these look like up close. This is just what the brushes look like. So that is literally everything that you get in the cookie tin. Quite a short video today, but I just want to show you what was inside. Please let me know if you want me to do a video testing this full gift set, testing the eyeshadows out, testing the face palette. Please let me know, because I'd be more than happy to do that for you. I love this. Like, I could literally just sit and play with this all day. Ooh, nearly dropped it. It's such a stress release. It really is. It's like a fidget thing. It's like a, yeah, it's just like a little mini stress ball. Oh, I just love it. So obviously in this gift set, you're getting the eyeshadow palette, which I wish they would just had less shimmers and more depth in it. Like, get rid of this colour, because a very, very small amount of people can use this. Then again, I guess you could kind of use that to blend out this one and get a bit of a transition, but it just would have been nice just to have a darker, deeper, in-depth colour in there, just to add a bit of oomph to the palette. Like, if it had like a really, really dark brown in it, it would have really, really got me excited. I still think it's really, really, really cute. Let's have a little swatch. Oh my god. The formula is butter smooth. Like, that's the one thing, like, I can't fault them for. I know they haven't put a dark one in, but the formula is beautiful. Oh my god. And really, really pigmented. I don't know if you can see them over this side, but oh my god, I actually love the formula. I just wish that I had just one more darker colour in. Just another matte, just to add a bit of depth, or even just like a kind of salted caramelly kind of colour, like another matte colour, just to make it a little bit different. It's like it's just missing maybe just one or two colours that would have just really, really emphasised and just brought the palette out. And then obviously we have the face palette, which just looks like this. Again, would have been nice just to have one darker shade in here, or even just two darker shades, just so that it's got a variation for everybody in it. So that is what obviously the face palette looks like. The bath fizzers are actually adorable and really, really good size. Like, you could literally put that in half and have that as in two different baths, for just one of them. And then obviously we have the lip glosses, which I absolutely love. I love their lip glosses. And these ones always smell. Let me smell them, because these ones always smell. So we have chocolate brownie. Oh, that is literally like a chocolate brownie. And then the other one I think was mint chocolate. Yeah, mint chocolate. Let's have a little snifferoo. Ooh, yeah, you can oh, did I just get some on my nose? No. You can definitely smell like the mint in it as well. So yeah, that is literally everything, obviously, and then including the 3 brushes that you get in this cookie tin. It retails for £40. What do you think? Do you think it's worth it? So yeah, I'd love to know what your thoughts are down below. Please don't forget to check out my other Christmas videos. And tomorrow I'm going to be back with a video, and it's going to be the Revolution, the Rose Renaissance collection reveal that we're going to go through tomorrow in full unboxing. So I shall see you tomorrow for that. I got this as, again, absolute bargain, £7.36 instead of 30 quid. Bargain. So yeah, I'll hopefully see you tomorrow for the reveal of that one. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.